Basically, I wanted to ask Apple one question only. When Sony providing you with the material cost of the whole iPhone gets up to talking about 11 Pro Max and 12. Housing is made in the Apple industry only, but camera, motherboard, RAM, and some sneaky things that Apple does, like uh, you have to pay for your internal storage in the iCloud. Okay, no, like they are speaking of one, do not compare with any company that we have that thing in that perspective. But I wanted to ask this, that they always say this latest phone is this is our best ever phone we have ever produced in our interface, and it has the best features. It is, but they have a comparison with their old mobile, like when X came on the launch of the iPhone 10 Plus, uh, and it was like that. 8 was also there. They were basically showing at that time, they were just having these things that this you have this option also with the home button, but they started it like just giving out everything ki, what should I say, like basically they were saying ki you can add $150 US dollars and buy an X series, that is the latest bezel-less thing, which but they have a solution for everything. They have an explanation of the removal of everything, and then they have the perspective of telling those things also, when they removed the headphone jack, they launched AirPods, and they said they are the wireless communicating uh, earphones. Okay, okay, everyone loved it. By chance, they got hit, but they shouldn't have got hit because of the price range of it. In India, there is demand. I'm speaking from India only. My name is Ajay. Yes, I am into tech ads only, but some things are not always in your perspective also. So I wanted to ask Apple this, that they have, when they removed home button, they has they the only biometric verification system, and then they had a new thing called Face ID, another biometric verification system also. But but why? You could also continue the same thing. Okay, no. And when they removed the headphone jack, those things, uh, and it is $1 trillion company. See, the thing is that they say by removing charges, I get to the topic of the removing of the charges from the box. Okay, you get only one Apple sticker. Okay, and only the charging lead, no earpods, no charging brick. So, what do you think by removing the brick from the package? What do you expect from, and well, when you are buying a mobile? What do you expect? Coming with the charging adapter, uh, charging lead, earpods, earphones, you can say, SIM injector, and instruction manual. Okay, but Samsung has, in comparison, Samsung has a better thing, that providing with cheap quality mas- uh, cases, but good for protection also, scratches and वगैरह वगैरह. But Apple has many things in its lineup which it lacks. People will think I am going crazy without a video and I am just talking. No, I am coming from a poor household, so I can't show my face. Some things. So, like removing, how much can you save? The demand of the thing is so much that you have you can. But why didn't they stop the manufacturing of the brick outside the package? So you can't stop the necessity of producing it. You could first handedly only give it in the box only, no? People will buy, you can't stop them from doing. So you can't stop people. If they like one thing, they will stick to it. So, and the revenue Apple has, there is no need. Point 0.5 by 4 is the material cost of the one single iPhone, of the retail price written on it. Okay. And that goes, like, it is of X series, XS, iPhone XS, 10s can go for $1,000 when it was launched. So $250 you can take as only manufacturing only, and that now left money, where would it go? It goes to the Apple. That's what it is, no? You could price it at 600 and something, but directly 1000 doesn't look good from the old series. Like, you can see material cost was $150, and the retail rate was, I think so, like 7 or 8 plus. I am talking about, I think so it was 150 was the manufacturing rate, and retail rate was, I think, 650, and it was a drastic change from there. So please let me know if somebody gets me to contact with the CEO or anything in the higher post of Apple.